It's the Sean and Portia Show.
Yeah.
Starring Sean and Portia.
Ding, ding, ding.
Co-starring Booby. Special guest star Half Eaten Gummy Bear. Yay! And one of two of Prince Michael's shoes. What are we going to talk about today, guys?
I don't know, Portia. What's on your mind today?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Yes.
She's hungry and I'm hungry as well. What about you? Titties, are you hungry?
When lobsters attack!
Hey, you do mean lobsters and not crabs, right?
Oh.
That's hard to remove. I had that last summer.
What, are you itching?
I didn't know I had so much hair up here.
You had hair on yourself.
I thought I had a new mole.
Did you use the shampoo?
No. I just got hungry and ate it off.
They can see your mouth moving in the camera.
Oh my God, you guys. It's the other half of Prince Michael's shoe. Ah! Hey, feet. What's going on? I don't know. Let's walk on Sean and Portia's head.
No, it's not. Reunited. Oh.
It feels so good.
Who is it? Oh, they got this from Ross, yo.
What's the tag?
Do you
I need
love
one
it?
of those. How much is it?
I got it at Ross. Co-starring Kiki Kate Nails. Well, that's it for today of Sean and Portia. Bye.
Deuces.
Hits.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.